Birds named Lani and Rudy. So everyone, can you say hi? So Yellow-crowned Amazon parrots are the most commonly kept Amazon species due to their excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. These types of birds are great at mimicking everyday sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ringing, or even a whistle.
I'll start with the rooster first.
How about cat?
Next one is Rudy's favorite, a sound of a dog. Now Rudy, can you bark? Next one is a telephone ringing. Next one is a whistle. Yeah, so Miss Donna, I've heard that Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true?
Yes, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Now let's do the warm up. La 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 la. La 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 la. Well, I guess we're all set and ready for the first song. So for the first song. I love you more than I can. I love you more than I can. Now for our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Alright, so happy birthday to all the celebrants. Now Lani and Rudy, we have some celebrants here today. What will we do next? See how talented parrots are? They can mimic sounds so well because their brains are super smart, just like humans, using their voices. So a round of applause to our two yellow-crowned Amazon parrots, are mimicking bird named Lani and Rudy, and also to their So toucans are the largest and the best known toucan species around the world. As you can see, it has a white throat and a black-colored body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. So toucans are only short flyers, unlike other birds. They can only fly from short distances, hopping from one branch and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. So there are 40 toucan species around the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. So as you can see, Mr. Horn here has a large and colorful bill that looks heavy, but in reality it is extremely light, as it is only made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and also our nails. Now for their lifespan, they can live from 30 to 40 years. And for their diet, they love to eat bananas, small berries, and also eggs. So a round of applause to our most handsome toucan named Mr.